Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Wi-Fi icon not showing problem on Windows. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Internet Connections. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Wi-Fi, turn off and then turn on Wi-Fi. Third method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Disable. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Enable. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.